When are you visiting the Philippines?
It's so easy here in Siquijor. All the companies are in one little office here. And then you get a stamp at the Coast Guard office here. Very easy. 1:30 sailing on Aleson, boarding at 1 p.m. Much easier than Dumaguete. Canada, wow. That's the waiting area there, air conditioned for the walk-ons. So paid the terminal fee, 14 pesos, paid the port fee, 12 pesos, 6 plus 6. So I drove my bike in, parked here, paid the port fee, and then went back and paid the terminal fee. Salamat, sir. That's it. There's the ship. I'm waiting for 1 o'clock boarding. It's about 13 minutes to 1. So the first stop at the ticketing office was 800 for the bike and me, and then 200 for Lindy. And then I came into the secure area by the boat and this little blue building on the other side. I had to pay 6 pesos each, so 12 pesos for a port fee. And then I had to walk back to this office here and pay a terminal fee of 14 pesos. So 3 different payment spots. I'm not sure why, but everywhere, Manila, Dumaguete here, it's different locations for different payments instead of having one payment. But I guess it creates work.
It's not big.
Before I get into the next area, if you are considering visiting or retiring in the Philippines, please subscribe. I have lots of content and more coming that I hope you will enjoy. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button. It's easy for you to do, and we truly appreciate your support. It not only helps the YouTube algorithm, it really encourages us. Salamat. Thank you. So that's Dumaguete Boulevard. Marina Bay condos. After Marina Bay condos is past that is Silliman Beach and the flight. The end of the plan is there. That's a
how airlines like. So the trees behind the ferries here, that's Silliman University. So our boat left at 1:30. It's a 90-minute sailing across from Siquijor. There was a Montenegro boat leaving at 2 o'clock. It'll be in here at 4 o'clock, obviously. No, sorry. There was a Montenegro boat leaving at 2 o'clock, which will be in at 3:30. We're just coming in now at 2:58. So I can see 2 construction cranes in downtown Dumaguete. One just past Silliman University and one further to the left here. There's a taller building being built. And then there's that empty building. It's about 7 stories. It's been empty since 2019 when I used to live here.
Pikasay pala, pikasay. Ruler, nabalay. Ruler, nabalay. Kaya ruler. Las que dos, las que dos, las que pula baitar.
Morning.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?